Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip. Okay, so my thread is about to right now, and I'm going to swap it, and I'm going to show you how to tie a knot where you can just pull it right through the eye of the needle, where you don't have to cut it and rethread the needle. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to do that real quick, but I'm going to show you with this because that thread is very, very thin. More than likely you're not going to be able to see it on video. So what you're going to do is you're going to take both of the end pieces, obviously, and you're going to tie a knot like this. So basically, let me bring the camera over here so I can see better. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do, you take both of the ends right there, right? Put whichever one you want on top, like so, and then loop this one around just once, and then tie the knot like so, just like that. And that's it, and it'll go right through the needle. However, when you're doing sewing thread, that will work. If you're doing, in this case, we're doing embroidery thread, it's very slick. So that might not work all the time. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna loop it around and then one more time. So you're gonna loop that twice. That way your thread will grab really good. And then pull it real tight and then pull both ends, making sure that it's not coming off. This one will not come off because this is not thread. I'm gonna take my new one. Let me show you the one that I'm gonna be swapping. So here it is. There's the one that I'm swapping. As you can see, it's almost out. So what I'm gonna do is cut that out. We don't need that one anymore. We're gonna find this end right here. So I'm gonna put this back in the machine. Okay, so now I'm gonna it doesn't matter which end you grab, just as long as you do that the little knot. So again, this is why I was showing you with that thick thread so you guys can see it. But now see, I'm gonna put it one on top of the other, and the one that I put on top, I'm gonna loop around twice. So there's one, there's the other, and then we're gonna tie a knot just like that. Okay, so then I'm gonna pull it, and then just kind of pull it a little bit, make sure that the knot is tight, nice and neat, and then pull on it, make sure it doesn't come off. And then now all you gotta do is pull it from the bottom. So here's my thread, and you'll see this one coming off because I'm pulling the thread. Let me refocus this so you can see it better. Okay, so hopefully you can see that, or you can see the where I tied it together, where you can see where it's gonna go right through the eye of the needle. You see, here it is, here it comes. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a little bit of slack so you guys can see there's a part that we tie the knot in, and then you just pull it, and if you grab it from the bottom, so it'll help it guide it in there, and there you go. It just went through the needle right there. And then this is the one that was already there, so we're gonna cut that one. And that's it. There's the part where we tied it off. And then all you gotta do now, start the machine, and then just pull that one. Just pull it in right there. See? That's how you do it. Just tie a knot like that. It'll go right through it. Now, if you tie a knot, I'm gonna cut this just so I can show you. This is what I used to do in the past. I'm gonna cut it. So usually what we do is we grab the two ends like that, and then we tie a knot like this, right? That will not go through the needle. Trust me, it just won't. So that's it. I hope this trick kind of helped you guys. If you did like it, or if it did help you, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tricks, let me know in the comments below. It was a pleasure. I will see you on the next one. See you later. God bless you. Bye bye.